Okay, let's start with the components and different type of materials that we can use in our house. I create a dummy material of my house. I will show you. This one is the dummy material. In that we have a side bars, and we have an area to create a graph, and we have an area to create a road. Okay, this one is the complete structure of my house. You can zoom it and zoom out by your mouse. Like you just need to move your cursor to zoom in and zoom out. And this one is the orbit tool that we can use to check the view, like from the top, bottom to of our house. Other than that, now we need to just check about the materials. Here you can see this is the sidebar, and here we have a different type of components and different warehouses, materials, and different shapes like we need to use for our complete function. So wait, this one is the material. Simply click on the material, and if you need a simple plain colors, there are different type of simple plain colors also available. And if you have any pre-built material, you have a texture that you import from the Google, like simply I need a bricks texture. I search from the Google, and this one is my texture. I save this in my Google Drive. Oh, sorry, in my computer. I simply save this image, and you can see this one is the JPG. I simply save this one and then go to my materials. Just click on the import my device and go to the downloads. Okay, there's one issue. Yeah, this just open this, and yeah, but there's the one issue that we need the SKM files. Okay, other formats like in the JPG, PNG, other formats are not available. Like if you have created anything in your SketchUp and then you want to import again in your material, you can do that. Other than that, if you need to search any different materials, you need to click here. Here we have a 3D materials. If we need to use any 3D material for our systems, wait. Okay, these are some 3D if you want to use any 3D one. And these are other texture, we use these textures in our walls as well. Like if we need to uh, design our walls, these are the bricks. These are the multiple type of bricks, multiple colors. You can import it and use it anywhere you want. These are carpets. Like if we are going to create any floor and for that floor we need some carpets, we can simply select from here all the carpets. And these are the plain colors if you need any plain color. And these are glass and mirrors. Mostly we use these if we are going to create any windows. Well, mostly we used for our windows. And these are landscape. Like if you need a bars, we need rocks like this. If we need to create a floor like that, if we need to create a grass structure. So let's see, we will do one thing. Let me open my selection tool. Okay. Uh, this area, like for that area, I just need a grass because this one is only my what we say that the garden area. Okay, this one is the garden area of my house. I simply select this by selection tool, and I'm going to pick this a dark grass. Simply select this one and drop like this. Okay. Now if I zoom in, you can see the texture. It's not the plain one, it's the grass texture here. Other than that, this is the road. Like I created one road here, and this one is my complete road. And I wanna add some bricks like this rocks structure. So I simply select this rocks and put it here. So let's see which type of here. Here you can see here the rocks in that structure. Okay. Other than that, let's explore other things. Okay, these are the metals. If we need a metals anywhere, these are the patterns. If we need to create design by our own, we can select a different patterns as well. This one is for the roofing, like this one. Here I'm going to select this roof and drop it like this. And again, I'm going to select this one like this. And again, I'm going to select this one and make the roof like this. And I will show you the closer interface. Here you can see this one is my roof structure, so you can select any design for your roof. And these are the stones if we need a stone. Synthetic surfaces if we need to create a texture surface. These are some tiles that we can use in our bathrooms, toilets, anywhere else, like in our floors we want to use. And this one is water. Like if we create any swimming pool, we use this one as a water. Okay. And this one, all the things is covering for the windows, and this one is the wood structure. So now, and first of all, I need to cover these things. Okay. For that, I think I need some bricks. Roofing is done. Currently, I don't need a texture, not a plan, not the carpet one. Yeah, this one is the bricking one. So for the bricks, I think this one. Okay, I'm going to select this one. Just move my complete structure like this one. Okay, there's a one thing like for each section we need to do separately. But if we create a group of this one, how we can do that? Like this. By and when I'm going to select this, I'm pressing my shift button. Okay, so by shift I'm able to select all the things collectively. Okay, and for control G, make a group. Okay, there's a one option by pressing the control G we can make a group, and there's another option is by right click and make a group. Okay, there's the group now. So now if I'm going to select any color and I'm going to import, it will import all around. Okay, it will not import in one specific one. So this one is the easy one. If we need to add some color, so by only one single click, we are able to do that. Here you can see this is my texture of my house. Now, okay, this one is the internal, but I need to create a one door. For door, I create again a square one. So I don't have a door here. And for the door, I think I need some wood effect. Yeah. This one is the for door. So for my door, I'm going to select this one. Okay. This one is the my door one. And for the window, again, I'm going to create a window because if I zoom in, it will move me to the inside. Okay. So I need to create one window effect. Then I need no glass from here. This one. And I'm going to you can select any you want. Okay. And so here you can see when I add it will give me the transparent effect like that. Okay. And now I will need a bars like how we create them. First of all, try to make a group. Where I think Control G, or we can make a group like this. Okay. This one is the one group now, and we're going to do landscapes like this. And let's see if we select these bars. Here you can see when I select that bar, you can see the complete outline. There are other options like if I select this one, let's see which looks good according to our design. And but if I select this one, I think so. Yeah, that will be fine. Yeah, this look fine here. And if I am going to get this one is my bar structure that I created like this. Okay, and my house is done. Other than that, we will just try this one. Like I don't know, this one is a good, but we are just trying this one. We can also try these floors, and we can also check this one. Okay, these are some structures that we can use in our house to create my complete house. I think so. This one is more fine. Yeah, this one. Okay, now this other option, like if I need my outline like this, but I think so the grass one is the more fine. Other than that, like we work on all these things, the grass and the trees. Now, let's see about the components. Like if we need different type of components, suppose here I need a bench. So there's one option to create it manually by using the all the tools. That will takes a lot of time. There's one other option is that go to the components, then open your 3D warehouse. In your warehouse, you can select table, just search it and choose your desired table according to your requirement. Okay, I need a table for the outside, like for my this garden. I'm going to like simply select this one, download this, and here you can see I get it. Simply place it and then you can adjust it according to your requirement. If you find something like this, just cross this from the, or you can press the start trial. Sorry, just cross this. Okay. Okay, now this one is selected. We just need to make it little bit shorter. So how we can do that? Edit this. Sorry, this one. I'm going to place it here, like this element. Like here. There are options of edit the components. Click here. And these are the options like you need to change the name, and if you need in the vertical and the horizontal format, you can do it from here. And simply from here you can adjust the rotation like you need in which format like you want. If you want to put it back, you can do it. Like in this one is used for the rotation to foot by using the single points. Okay, you can put it anywhere you want. Like if I want it here, my back side. Okay, you can put it like this as well. If we need to play with the other tools, go to the components, go to the tree. I'm going to select this tree. Just follow, download, configure. Like this, same like the component, we work on different type of elements like materials. Same in the components when you go to your warehouse. Here you find different type of 3D models. You can discover all of them as well. And other than that, this one is the styling. Okay, I need a different type of shapes in the box. Like I need a color boxes like this. I just pick them. I just select the things and pick my box like that. Okay, this one is just for the color selection. If we have a box, we can add the colors like this. Okay, like this one is also helpful to change our color for my background and whole color sets. Okay, this one is also something like that. Here you can see I select and I can change the color. This one, and you can take the example like we can add the effects on our complete structure. Okay, this one can help us to add different type of textures like this. Okay, so for now I just need a simple one. No, this one is not fine. This one is completely white. Let's try. Okay, this one is the fine for us. Other than that, these are some default styles and the photo modeling, like if we need a photo modeling, something like that. Okay, again, I'm going to select this one and move it here. Sorry. Okay. And these are some sketchy edges, like we just need the edges, like sketch of my complete art. And these are some straight lines. Okay. So from style, we get these things. If we need to add something, these are some tags. Like if we need to create some tags, alphabets, we need to write something. All of them are here. If we need to, it's something like if we are going to store anything in our gallery, we need to give, we give them a different tags and store our complete assets in that one part. Other than that, these are for the time. If we need to increase or decrease the dark and the light, shadows. Okay. Here, if we need to add some camera effects, if we need to add some videos, already built in views, like from the front side, this one, this one, this one. Okay. Like for that views, uh, plain view, night view. I just wanna get rid of this one. Okay, from the components, I'm able to remove this. And after that, these are some views we can select. Like, for the views, we use this orbit tool. And from the camera, we can also check the views. We can add, if we need to add some scenes, we can add that as well. And these are some axes, like we need to adjust our axes. We need to uh, hide some objects. If we need to hide some geometry, all of things are here. And these are some softener curves, like if we have a curve we need that will be in the soft format, we can edit all the stuffs from here. And these are some units model, like the width and height that we are giving to this specific, like what is the complete dimension. This one is the dimensions settings. You can update it from here as well. You can edit the details from here and from here as well. Okay. So let's go with my component. Okay, I just wanna delete this one. Okay, let's go to the view again. Let's see our view is fine now or not. Because it will usually happens. Yeah. Okay. We just need to move this back to his position. Okay. Need that like this. Okay. Okay, this is my complete view of my house. You can do something like that. You can play with different type of components and different type of shapes. You can also play with different type of effects and the materials. Okay, try to edit all these stuffs in your things. Bye.